Okay, good morning, student. Prelims paper are over, but I am highly unsatisfied with the presentation. Where to write, what to write, very minutely. Uh, Always I am explaining, but still students are not getting. They are writing anything, anywhere without sequence. Some students are not writing roll number, how to put the marks. Some students are writing wrong roll number, so it is a mismatch. So you people have given lots of trouble for arranging, not for the correction. So very poor performance, very poor presentation, and at home you have written no, so songs are correct and from somewhere it is copied and all that. But this, with this preparation, with this presentation, you will pass, but will not get high score, because when you are giving trouble to examiner and moderator, your result will not be satisfied for you, because if you will consider that will get 35 out of 40, you will get 25, because the way you are writing information. 10th standard student, you are writing information like this on front page. Even number name are wrong, numbers are not matching, wrong roll number are printed. I am highly unsatisfied that I was surprised that these are my students. In each and every lecture I am giving lots of instruction. Rest of the outside school students are improving, those who are learning, those who are taking some hint from my lectures, and see the result of my student. To know the sum or to know the mass, that is not enough. 50 more things we have to apply: the way of writing, reasoning, placement. My total time and this hard work waste. Full 1 month we have do lots of writing practice only. Without writing practice, very easily you can pass, and they will give easy paper, they will give grace mark, they will anyhow they will pass you. That is not the matter. But when all will get 90%, then where you will get the admission? What is the special thing in your paper? So highly unsatisfied. And every time I'm telling, no, you write this, you write this, here in this sum this is important, here in this is important. If start from first question, MCQ. You check my YouTube videos around 7 to 8 times. I have lively shows that we have to select ABCD alphabet, not the answer. Students are doing method. I'm surprised that the students are getting information from the classes. No, they are teaching like this because they are not aware from SSC board this rules and regulation. Very poor training from other side you are getting. School teacher never tell you like this. In MCQ they are showing the steps. In MCQ they are writing the correct answer. Array, choose correct answer. Don't write correct answer. In my YouTube you will find I am remember that around 7 times I have explained these MCQs, and special MCQs 5 lectures I have taken. where you have to write only answer. Sorry. At that time, you are doing method. Where you need the method, you are directly write the answer. Second, very poor performance in activity based. On that 3 times I have explained what to write, how to start, how to end. But see, from 200 paper, even I am not getting single paper a perfect that I can show you like this is a model answer book. Activity, again, listen, activity question. Forget about your question, forget about your mark. First, whatever in the question paper given, no, just print in your answer book. Same to same. Therefore, equal, box, reason, same. Don't write answer. Then in the box at the end you have to write. And box should be marked with pen or pencil. So that much mark we have to check. Otherwise, full answer we will check. So we have to search that which is given in the question paper and which exactly you are writing. So very poor. 100% result we achieved in last year. So my dream is to achieve 90 plus quality result. But सब अरमानों की होली होगी होली. Poor performance. Presentation below category. Presentation is below category. Even those who got 30 marks, no, rough you are writing. It is like rough book you have given me, kachara. In maths, presentation, okay, handwriting is even not good, but the presentation, placement, reasoning, maths is a subject of technique, how to write. Even in science, you people are still in 10th standard writing paragraph. Shame on me, not on you. Paragraph you are writing in 2 marks, in 3 marks, in 5 marks. Who is giving this below class training, and where you are going for this? Maths and science, no, writing techniques totally different. It is not essays. History, writing tips, lots of and rest of the students are adept. I will show you the model answer book, how they are writing. Handwritten paper I'll show. But you people are not getting any ideas. You people are just doing time pass and just in a very high confidence that we know everything. We have done practice. You are just writing like kachra. I'm highly satisfied, highly unsatisfied, because in science, no, I in when light and all that, when I have explained, no, I have marked that which word are very important. In reason, suppose 2 sentences you are writing, in that one word which are very important, that you have to mark. Star mark or dash mark or 1 2 3, right? Write in points. Even in 1 marks, even in 2 marks, even in 3 marks. People are writing paragraph. I have to search my word where it is. When you are giving trouble to the examiner, when you are giving trouble to the moderator, you will lose the mark. Very fast, within 1 or 2 minutes, 40 marks paper should be passed from the examiner. So they must know that which are the highlighted word which we want, where the exactly alphabet ABCD, where is the exactly number, where are the exactly the units, and where are the perfect particular word which we are searching in your answer. But and what you people are thinking that you are the master in this mass media and teachers are illiterate in mass media, or they are not aware of all the techniques. What we have done, no, I can explain that you have used another mobile or whatever, you have directly type the question, in the Google, and they have given the answer, and that same to same you have to copy. You have done like this. I have lots of paper, same to same, word to word that you are related to your textbook, means you are not aware of your textbook, you are aware of Google. um, Reason which we have asked, no? So that reason, simply you are typing on a Google and searching whatever the answer on the screen, that that you have copied. Sin I is equal to sin E. How you are proving? No, which is not given into the textbook, it is given in the Google. तो टीचर को मूर्ख समझने की कोशिश में आप अपने को होशियार साबित करने में लगे हो. ऑल साइंस टीचर आर वेरी स्मार्ट. आप उसको उल्लू बनाने जा रहे हो ना, तब आप उल्लू बन रहे हो, ये याद रखो. फॉर वेरी फर्स्ट टाइम पूरे साल में मेरे पास वेरी फर्स्ट टाइम पेपर्स आई हैव सीन, नो. तो आई एम हाईली अनसेटिस्फाइड. बाप रे, मैंने पूरे साल क्या बकवास किया ये लैपटॉप के सामने, कैमरा के सामने. जैसे ऐसा लगता है मैंने बस खाली एक्टिंग की है और रिजल्ट इज 0. From those people, I'm expecting that they are adopting my method. पूरा कचरा. पता नहीं, मतलब वो गाइडेंस मिला है कहीं से, और वो गाइडेंस देने वाले लोग ऐसे हैं जिसे एसएससी बोर्ड का आज तक गेट एंट्री भी नहीं देखी. वो लोग आपको एसएससी बोर्ड के पेपर कैसे लिखने हो, पैसा देके आप वहां जाते हो पागल की तरह, या मुफ्त में मिल रहा है तो मजा कर रहे हो. मीन्स नो वैल्यू ऑफ द राइट थिंग, करेक्ट थिंग. बराबर ठान लो, आज ये ठान लो दिमाग में, और जो भी करना है एकदम पक्का करना है, एकदम परफेक्ट करना है. ये मैं उबाल निकाल रहा हूँ. 3 दिन से मेरे अंदर ये भरा पड़ा था पूरा गुस्सा. देख रहा हूं और मैं सोच रहा हूं कि पूरे साल मैंने कितना खर्चा किया, कितना बकवास किया, कितनी वीडियो बनाई. 0. आपने सब गटर में डाल दिया हूं. And the paper is not that much tough. Writing skill, writing, you have not done the practice, but I have explained that exactly what. In science, when you are writing paragraph na, you will lose your marks. 50% marks you will lose. जहां जहां 2 मार्क्स मिलने वाले आंसर परफेक्ट है, वहां 1 मार्क्स देंगे. ढूंढेंगे नहीं पूरा पैराग्राफ में मुझे जो वर्ड चाहिए कहाँ है. They will not search the word which are appropriate to which we have to give the marks. 1 month है, you have 1 month, improve your writing practice. ओरली या दिमाग में कितना है, कितना आता है आपको, गूगल कितना यूज करना आता है, टीचर को कितना उल्लू बनाना आता है, that they will not mark. What you have written, what is your presentation, on that you will get the marks, and on that you will get the result, and on that base you will get the admission in college. More than 50% students are writing answer of MCQ. They are showing the method how they got the answer. Arey, who is that? Arey, read the instruction. Read the instruction. Here I have given the marks. In SSC board, they will not give the marks. They want only ABCD. Out of ABCD, and you can't change that ABCD, whatever you have. So that is why if you don't know the answer, you do the refer behind the answer book and try at least, or at the end you just write whatever you want to write. But after writing A, don't cut it and write D. Not listening, बस खुद का ही शो ऑफ कर रहे. टीचर क्या बोल रहे सुन नहीं रहे. पूरे साल की मेहनत पानी में जाएगी. मेरी तो गई, आपकी भी जाएगी. द लेवल, एक एक नाम जो ना, नाम ये है तो मुझे ऐसा रिजल्ट मिलेगा, ये है तो मुझे नाम पढ़ता होता, आई शॉक कि ये लोग भी ऐसा लिखते, तो ये लोग जाते कहाँ है ये ऐसा ऐसा सीखने के लिए जो मैं नहीं सिखाता हूं, वो लोग कहां से सीख कर आए ये। एक सम आधा लिखा है, 2-3 पेज कुछ कुछ और क्वेश्चंस लिखे, देन अगेन दैट क्वेश्चंस आंसर इज रिपीटेड, 5 स्टेप्स हियर 2 स्टेप्स हियर। अरे प्राइमरी के बच्चे आपसे ज्यादा अच्छे लिखते पेपर। पूरे साल सिर्फ मोबाइल हाथ में पकड़ा है, मम्मी को उल्लू बनाया, सर को उल्लू बनाया, आता है करते हैं, बिजी रहते बस, हाईली अनसेटिस्फाइड। अभी जहां पर भी हो ना, आप 50% पे भी नहीं हो, ये याद रखो। और ये माहौल में पेपर भी इजी निकलेगा, मार्क्स भी अच्छे मिलेंगे, सबको 90+ देंगे, कहां जाके खड़े रहोगे पता है। इवन 90% पे भी मनपसंद कॉलेज नहीं मिलेगी, याद रखो, क्योंकि ऐसे लाइन में 10,000 खड़े रहेंगे, सीट 1000 है। हाउ वी विल गेट द आंसर, हाउ वी विल गेट द एडमिशन। Every time be cool, they will give more time, they will give more time, 15 minute in 40 marks paper and 30 minute in 80 marks paper. So utilize, be cool, read the instruction first, what exactly they want, and according to that you have to write. In science, suppose it is 1 mark, write 2 sharp point. If it is गोल गोल घुमा घुमा के लेंथ मत देने की कोशिश करो, ये हिस्ट्री पेपर नहीं, आप लेंथ देख के मार्क्स नहीं मिलेगी, साइंस के टीचर उल्लू नहीं है। वी वांट पर्टिकुलर वर्ड, अंडरलाइन करो, पूरा सेंटेंस भी मुझे नहीं चाहिए, वो सेंटेंस में एक वर्ड यू अंडरलाइन करो, आई विल जस्ट मार्क दिस वर्ड, ओके दिस आंसर इज 100% एक्यूरेट। जब लेंथ बढ़ती है ना मार्क्स के हिसाब से, लेंथ 2 मार्क्स में मोर देन 4 लाइन लिख दी, मतलब इसमें 70% गप्पाबाजी है, फेक, नॉन साइंटिफिक, इन सिंपल लैंग्वेज। जब जब आपने खुद की इंटेलिजेंस से टीचर को उल्लू बनाने की कोशिश की है ना, तब तक आप और खड्डे में जा रहे हो, आप खुद उल्लू बन रहे हो। तो ऐसी सोच पहले तो निकाल दो कि आप ऐसा भी करो, आप लेन दो, कोई टीचर चेक नहीं करते, कोई टीचर पढ़ते नहीं है, वो लोग तो ऐसे ही, ये जहां से इंस्ट्रक्शंस मिलती है ना, वहां दूसरे दिन जाके खड़ा मत रहना, वहां जाके दूसरे दिन खड़ा मत रहना जो आपके जहन में ये बात डालते नहीं, परफेक्ट, बी अ परफेक्ट इन एच एंड एवरीथिंग, इन एच एंड एवरी सब्जेक्ट। आपको पनिशमेंट करे, 10 टाइम्स लिखने दे, बोलो ऐसा ही चाहिए, ऐसा ही चाहिए, यही करना है, यही करना है, इसमें ही मार्क मिलेगी। आपको घुमा फिरा के वो जो ट्रैक सिखाते ना, ऐसा करो ऐसा करो ऐसा करो, टीचर तो पढ़ेगी नहीं, टीचर को मार्क्स दे देगी, टीचर को तो पास करना है, मत खड़ा रहो वहां पर। आज उल्लू बनाओगे टीचर को, फिर आगे आगे वी आर लर्निंग दिस थिंग फॉर लाइफ ओरिएंटेड। किसी को उल्लू बना के मार्क्स लिया, आगे जाके क्या काम में आएगा, जिंदगी भर लोगों को उल्लू बनाते रहोगे। अरे प्यार से खड़े रहो, दूसरी बार कोई आए आपके पास, एक बार उल्लू बना, दूसरी बार कोई आएगा नहीं। सेंट लॉरेंस के 250 स्टूडेंट है ना, 250 स्टूडेंट मेरे बार के भी है, तो 500 स्टूडेंट वो जुड़ रहे, ग्रुप बंद हो गया क्योंकि ओवरलोड 250 हो गया, बच्चे को जोड़ना है। मैं ऐसी ऐसी ट्रिक सिखाता ना टीचर को उल्लू बनाने की, तो 50 भी नहीं होते मेरे पास, तो ये तो एवरी डे आई एम गिविंग ट्रेनिंग टू 500 पीपल। गुजराती का तो अलग 250 का ग्रुप है, उसको छोड़ो, इंग्लिश मीडियम का 500, गुजराती मीडियम का 250, अराउंड मोर देन 700 स्टूडेंट आई एम गाइडिंग एवरी डे। कब आते, यहाँ टीचर को उल्लू बनाने की बात नहीं होती है, यहाँ गुमराह होके मार्क्स लेने की बात नहीं होती है, यहाँ कॉन्क्रीट नॉलेज मिलता है, एसएससी बोर्ड का एक्सपीरियंस मिलता है, वहां क्या चलता है, क्या चलेगा, कहाँ मार्क्स मिलेगा, कहाँ नहीं मिलेगा। तो आज टाइम जा रहा है, मुझे उसका अफसोस नहीं, पूरा साल गया, मुझे उसका अफसोस। लैंग्वेज में तो अभी मुझे टीचर से बात करनी है कि लैंग्वेज में का, क्योंकि वहां तो 80 मार्क्स का पेपर थी। यार आपने क्या लिखा होगा, कैसे लिखा होगा। आज मेरी बात होगी कृष्णा सर से, जुबिदा मिस से, फिर वो भी मसाला मैं निकालूंगा, एसएस का भी निकालूंगा। मैथ साइंस का तो मैंने निकाल लिया कि स्कूल के टीचर है ना, उसको दे हैव लॉट्स ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस इन एसएससी बोर्ड, दे हैव moderate level experience, paper setting experience, paper solution experience, scrutiny experience, rechecking. So that kind of they have knowledge, practical knowledge from minimum last 10 years. So from that पूरा निचोड़ करके आपको रख देते। मेरा तो 25 ईयर गया बोर्ड में धक्का खा खा। आज I'm a member in this both board. So what we are trying, that things should go to the student should get the perfect knowledge, तो उसको मैक्सिमम बेनिफिट हो। शॉर्टकट मेमोरी के लिए होती है, तो शॉर्टकट जो मैं बताता हूँ वो लिखना नहीं है, दैट इज how to remember that format, and when you will write according to that point you have to write the answer. So I will suggest madam to conduct one more prelim, and that we will make hard paper, that we will do very hard correction. So from that you will get the knowledge, because यहाँ marks cut हो गए तो okay, board में नहीं cut होने चाहिए. What is our instruction, that trying that it should not cut in that board. And my expectation is very high from you student. You can do, but what I have seen that you are misguided. So for maths and science, no, you follow my instruction. Do according to what I am giving as per the board. So rest of the subjects feedback also I'll get, especially English, essays, and Marathi. No, last year 2 students got 80 KT. We don't want 80 KT. We want full 100% result. We want quality result. That's it. Okay. Chapter wise also one paper I have. Overall also one paper I have. So as per that we will start. Around 5th of April mark sheet will be published on your division wise group. So you will get. So we will try to conduct one more prelim, because without writing practice, no, orally 100% you will not achieve your target. For target full 1 month you have to write. Okay, they have increased the time whatever. But till you have not the habit to write 3 hours continue. I'm not searching the paper. One paper was that it was subject that question wise. Not getting. And see the number of student 14. We have 214 students. So still 200 students are sleeping, taking guidance from anywhere. They are applying that guidance on us. That is a big thing. One question is there. This mobile is not working. For the solution of MCQ, I am showing the steps because how to get the answer there, that